All right, welcome back, guys. This is a crypto authority. I have a very legit and new mining airdrop called Key. Key is like core. Okay, we are going to run this airdrop is going to run for 2 good years, like core. It's exactly like core. It's going to run for 2 good years. It has a total supply of 90 million total supply and 40 million, mining allocation. Are you getting it? So the mining is going to reduce during halving. For now, the airdrop just came out on the, I think, on the 3rd of this June 2025. So we are still early. It's still new, very very new. I think today is about is it 9 or 10th of June. So we are still early. If you are getting this, if you are seeing this update now, congratulations to you, because you are early, very early. So I want us to understand one thing, that the early best, get the biggest share. So if you are seeing this mining app now, copy the link in the description below and sign up quickly. Don't dull over this project. I don't bring any mining project to my channel. I make sure a thorough research before bringing it to my viewers, my audience. Are you getting it? So don't panic. It's a very big project. The name is called Key. It's a key mining project. Are you getting it? So my dear brothers and sisters, let's mine it. You don't need to download the app. Just click the link. Click on the link. It will take you to the Chrome browser. From there, you sign up and you start mining. Are you getting it? So you can see my own quantity. See the quantity I've been able to mine, 2.8 keys. Are you getting it? So every day, every, I think, 12 hours or 24 hours, you come here and activate the mining button. So that is it. Don't dull over this project, please. You can check out, go scroll down, you see their sponsors. You see their sponsor. These are their sponsors. Can you see? Coin market cap is there, Coin API is there, Quick Node is there, blockchain, and the rest of it. So they have solid sponsors backing them up. Okay, so this is not a project that you'll be afraid of. Just mine it. You are not asked to deposit any money. You are not asked to put it in any shishi, any fund. Just mine it. It's a big project. I get into the total supply, just 97 million pieces of it. Then the mining allocation is 40 million of it. So the way I'm seeing this project from my own analysis, is gonna be scarce. If you don't mine it now, you pay to buy it on the listing day. Thank you so much. Thank you. The project is going to run for 2 good years, so don't sleep over it. Run with it now that you are seeing it. Don't say no, we didn't see it on time. A lot of persons missed call at the initial time. They were late. They didn't get the information on time. A lot of persons missed minor pie. Now I am bringing this one very early to you guys to do what? To run with it. There's no time. Thank you so much, guys. If you are seeing this update, share the links to your community members. If you have a community, share it with your friends, share it with your loved ones. Tell them to encourage them to sign up. There's no dull moment, so that if you are cashing out tomorrow, they'll equally be cashing out the same time with you. This is where you click. Okay, this is where you click and copy your referral link. Copy it from here, share to your community, share it to your friends, so that you can win this race together. We are in a race. It's a race. All right, thank you so much, guys. Now just feel free to navigate through this app. Feel free, just click, go through it and see what the app is talking about. Okay, nothing to panic about. Just let me take some seconds, and this is the key white paper. You can come here and read their white paper. If you are doubting the project, you can come here and read everything about the project. That is the white paper. Okay, so that is it. So I don't want this video to be much. Thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, so that you'll be the first to get my updates, my videos when next I post. Thank you.